So, some students express a difficulty in remembering or memorizing the names of elements. It is a good idea that you should remember at least 75 elements. One way to remember or memorize unrelated things is somehow link them with a known words and make a story out of them. Let the story be as awkward as possible. And in the story, in the words, the first letter should indicate what you want to remember. This is a method called connecting method. That way you can remember anything. Especially this type of acronyms are required for medical students because they have to remember thousands of things. So let us try to imply this method once. Well, this is a humble attempt to remember 36 elements names in 3 minutes time starting from now. See, what you see is Hyderabad. Hyderabad. Hello. If you remember Hyderabad is hello, you remember hydrogen and helium. Hyderabad is for hydrogen, hello is for helium. Any problem? Now, Hyderabad, hello. Hyderabad, hydrogen, hello is for helium. Look at this heading. In Hyderabad, people are very fond of biryani. Don't we like biryani? Hyderabad is like biryani and bun kebab. Bun kebab. Remember, after biryani, we like bun kebab. Bun kebab, not only simple bun kebab with nihari. Nihari, bun kebab with nihari. On Faluda, if you possible. Pakistani people like only these things, but in Hyderabad we like nihari on Faluda nicely. Now you have to remember this, what I am saying. Hi Hyderabad. Hyderabad stands for hydrogen. Hello stands for helium. Then we like lithium. We like what? Biryani. Not only biryani, we also like what, sir? We like bun kebabs. Let us leave some 10 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 places due to some reason. Then we come to bun kebab. Bun stands for boron. Kebab stands for carbon. Bun kebab and also nihari, nitrogen, on oxygen, Faluda, nicely. So, hi, Hyderabad, hello. I like biryani, bun kebab, nihari on, Faluda nicely. So, remember that you are looking at Hyderabad saying hello. Imagine that you are licking biryani. See that yourself licking biryani. Not only biryani, biryani on which there are some bun kebabs. See the bun kebabs clearly. And then you are tasting nehari. You know what is nehari? That is nehari is placed on faluda. Faluda is something very pleasant to take, which is nicely. Taking faluda nicely. Then, after eating so much, you get a lot of stomach problem. Then you try to take soda. Soda water can relieve stomach upsets. Soda taken in a mug. Then you should see a soda mug. The soda mug is placed on an aluminum sink. In your home there are sinks. There is an aluminum sink. On the sink you can clearly see a paste. What paste you use for cleaning the tooth? Toothpaste, paste. You are seeing a paste. When you press the paste, from the paste you are not getting paste but you are getting sugar. The sugar is coming out and going up in the air, going up like a cloud in the air. all of you, I suggest you to see Hyderabad is hydrogen, hello helium, like biryani. The biryani is placed on which there are bun kebabs. Bun kebab is there over, there is nehari on faluda. You are enjoying it nicely, and after eating so much, you require a soda to pacify your upset stomach. Soda is there in a mug, soda mug. Soda mug is placed over a aluminum sink. You should see clearly a aluminum sink. On the aluminum sink there is paste. Normally on sink we put paste. If you press the paste, you are getting sugar. The sugar is going up like a cloud in air. Then this air is getting collected in a pot. Can you see clearly a pot? This is a pot. Can you see the diagram? This pot, air is getting collected. To this pot, somebody has tied a calendar, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Somebody has tied a calendar. There is a calendar tied to the pot. Somebody has done that. To the calendar, again you can see a scent bottle. Scent bottle that gives pleasant smell. Scent bottle. Okay. Scent. Scent. Tea. Scent. Normally people should feel the smell of scent, but a crazy man is viewing the scent. He is viewing vision. Vision. He is looking at the scent. The man who is looking the scent bottle is looking very, very cruel. He is a very cruel man. Cruel man. A cruel man is seeing the scent. He is not feeling the smell. He is seeing the scent. And in his hand, from his hand something is falling. What is falling from his hand? Iron coins. Iron coins are falling from his hand. When the iron coins are falling, you carefully examine, on the ground they are becoming really copper and zinc coins. They are not really iron coins, they are made with copper and zinc, you find. The moment these copper and zinc coins touched the ground, it became gazer. You know what is gazer? What is gazer? Gazer ka halwa. Gazer. How many gazer pieces you got? You counted. 80. 80 brown carrots, you said. 80 brown carrots. Now, are we very clear? Hyderabad, hello. Lick biryani, bun kebabs, nihari on faluda nicely. Then you take a soda mug, place over aluminum sink. The sink is having a paste, that is toothpaste, paste. When you press the paste, the sugar cloud is going in air. The air has gone into a pot. Pot is linked to a calendar. And the calendar is hanging with a scent bottle. Scent means SCTI, scandium titanium. The scent bottle is viewed by vanadium by a cruel man. Cruel man. From the cruel man hand, what is coming? Iron coins. When you picked up an iron coin, you realize it is really copper and zinc. The copper and zinc coins became what? Gazer. This gazer pieces, how many? 80. 80 what? Brown carrot. So now we have remembered 36 elements. Here soda means sodium, Na symbol. Pot means potassium, K symbol. See, hydrogen, helium, lick biryani lithium beryllium, bun kebab boron carbon, nihari over faluda nicely, that is nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and neon, soda mug, sodium and magnesium. You have to leave 10 gaps. Then aluminum sink, paste for phosphorus, sugar is for sulfur, the cloud in air, chlorine and argon. The air is going into what? A pot. Pot means potassium. Okay. The pot का बनी हुई something बड़ी tied a calendar. Can you see calendar? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, you should see the calendar. To the calendar, what is tied? Scent bottles, scandium, titanium. The scent bottle is viewed, vision. You have to see the diagram. Vision viewed by a cruel man. From the cruel man hand, what is coming? Iron coins. Iron coins, when they are touching ground, what they are becoming? Iron coin is becoming coin of copper and zinc. The copper and zinc coins, when they touch ground, became what? Gazer. Urdu word gazer. कितने गाजर? 80 गाजर. 80 गाजर देखकर आप क्या कहा? ब्राउन कैरेट. अगर आप ए याद में रखेगा तो you can remember 36 elements. If you focus in 10 minutes, you can learn 36 elements. Then I make another video to remember remaining all elements. You try this, get me feedback. Is it easier or not for you? Thank you.